What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about XRP because I see a lot of value inside of this project and inside of this setup. Really, there's a lot of different coins that you guys can be looking at on coinmarketcap.com. Some days you might even feel overwhelmed, not know if you should have a certain amount of positions or 20 altcoins or 10 altcoins or 3 altcoins or what you really should be doing inside of these markets. And so that's one of the reasons that I talk about these coins on this channel, to break down where the prices are going to go. So if you happen to be holding this project or it's part of your trading plan, you guys can get my perspective on what I'm doing inside of the chart. Before I get into XRP though, I did want to mention yesterday's video, because in yesterday's video I talk about how the dollar crash is actually fueling Bitcoin and gold, and actually a lot of other things like oil, silver, and stocks. And so these cycles are very, very cyclical in nature. We have about 8 to 10 year cycles on the dollar, 8 to 10 year cycles on the stock market. We also have 4-year cycles on Bitcoin, which is a division of that 8-year cycle, because actually in the stock market, there's many 4-year cycles. You can divide these cycles. But without getting into too much details about what I talk about in that video, it's one of the most important videos I've made in a long time. So make sure you guys go give it a watch. I'll drop a link in the description of this video. So when you're completed with this video, go ahead and give that one a watch all the way till the end, because there's a ton of value in it. So without further ado, let's get straight into how XRP is going to completely blow you away because of the cycles that we're seeing currently. So as you guys can see, the first cycle in XRP impulsed after a massive triangle consolidation pattern. So that's really what I'm talking about right here. I've been talking about XRP for a long time on this channel, and I've watched it go completely parabolic. I've watched people FOMO into highs. I've watched people panic sell dips. But overall, what I'm seeing inside of XRP today is basically what I saw in XRP when I first got into cryptocurrency. So to see that repeat, it's like we're getting lost in time. It's almost like we're seeing the same exact chart that we saw back in 2016 and 2017 today inside of the markets. The only difference is the total market capitalization is much bigger, and the amount of people that know about cryptocurrency as a whole, the awareness of this industry has only grown. And so this cycle could potentially be even crazier. We have no idea exactly what it's going to look like, but if it's anything like the last cycle, you can expect some life-changing profits in extremely short periods of time, to where you're just looking at your bank, you're looking at your crypto wallets, and you're blown away at the way the markets have moved, because they are so primed to just explode out of these resistance levels and go parabolic in the same way that they did in 2017. And so this repeat inside of the chart is definitely something to be aware of, definitely something to be mapping out, to be looking at inside of your analysis on a daily basis, because I know you guys are looking at these charts, creating analysis. Inside of my Discord group, I have people sharing with me charts, direct messaging me, or even sharing inside of the VIP groups the charts that you guys are creating. So I see you guys' perspectives on a regular basis. You guys are extremely quick learners. I have to say, I'm extremely impressed at all of the VIP members and all of the people inside of the VIP areas that are sharing with me your charts. You guys are blowing me away on a regular basis with how quickly you guys are learning some of these more complicated techniques in a very short period of time. Very fast learners, super awesome to be part of that group, to be sharing this analysis with you guys. And XRP is just another amazing setup. It's definitely one that's in my top coins, probably in my top 10 as far as altcoins to be watching inside of this cycle. And that's one of the reasons I'm updating you guys on it on a regular basis. I also do giveaways inside of my Discord. So if you're not in the free areas, the giveaway section is actually part of the free areas. This is where I post my personal giveaways. This isn't for other people to post theirs. So if you come post it here, I'm going to delete your giveaway. This is where I handle my personal giveaways inside of my Discord group. But you guys, I do these giveaways, on occasion. So you're going to want to make sure to jump in here. Sometimes I'll do them once a week. Sometimes I'll do them every couple weeks. It really just depends on how I'm feeling. But overall, you guys, I just did a recent giveaway that was Actually, 3 people won $50 and another person was able to win $200 in Bitcoin. And I did it in a very short period of time. It actually lasted only like 10 minutes or 45 minutes. I'm trying to see here. I don't remember. I think it was about 45 minutes or an hour. And so really you guys were just in the Discord sharing your Bitcoin addresses with me. And then after that time went up, I went ahead and randomly picked people inside of the group to give the money to. So definitely join in if that's something you're interested in. You know, everybody likes free Bitcoin, especially inside of a market that's about to explode in value. XRP, you guys, in the big picture, I've actually talked about how XRP could potentially be worth $22 in the future. And maybe you hear that and you're very skeptical. It's easy to be skeptical, but it's hard to have faith. It's hard to put some money inside of a market that has dropped really hard, that people are scared of, especially in a time where everybody thinks that the world is going to fall apart. I'm here to tell you guys that these cycles happen. You know, we've had a lot of different things that scared people in the past. There's been so many different times that people thought, okay, this is it. This is the end of the world. There are always recovery processes. We get through it as a species. And I see the same thing happening today with stocks, with a lot of these different trading markets that you can invest in today, like cryptocurrency. I see a recovery process coming, and it's so exciting to be part of that, to be buying in terms of faith inside of the market, to be expecting another cycle, and to be able to share my trading journal, because that's what this is. This isn't financial advice. This is my trading journal about what I'm doing in the markets to provide some value to you guys, to make some money as well. And I know it's happening. I get messages all the time from people letting me know how much money they're taking out, profits they're making in their trades on a regular basis, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's altcoins. Everybody's making money on a regular basis inside of these markets, and it's super cool to be sharing that experience with you guys. Very thankful for it. Yeah, XRP could easily break out very soon. We've already started the breakout, but we could even push through these major resistance levels like 27 cents, and then we have 43 cents after that. So there's a lot of upside potential here, definitely inside of the market. I think that what we're seeing inside of the market, we could see consolidation periods, but overall, it's definitely a time to be greedy with buying dips and to be very cautious about how much profits you take and to expect a lot of upside before you really get serious about taking large amounts of profits out. That's kind of my trading plan, though. You have to remember that I'm talking about my trading plan. I do bigger picture investing inside of these markets. And so I don't really care to catch every single little swing on the short time frames. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in today's episode. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you got excited about XRP. Make sure that you check this video out. Like I said, links are in the description for it. Go ahead and check out my VIP sections as well. Shoot me a direct message or an email to get inside of the exclusive group, and I can help transform your trading and investing inside of these markets to really take it into your own hands and know how to fish inside of the money that's constantly being moved around, because every single day there's money to be made inside of crypto, and it's very, very consistent. So go ahead and shoot me a message if that's something you're interested in. I can help get you guys set up. I look forward to giving you guys a Friday update tomorrow. And as always, stay profitable out there.